Hey everyone, Zoom just released Zoom AI Companion 2.0. I think this might be the coolest Zoom feature since Zoom Virtual Backgrounds, but unfortunately it's not enabled by default and it's not super obvious where to go to turn it on. So let me show you how to enable it and then I'm going to explain why I think it's so cool. So open up your Zoom Workplace desktop app, and if it's turned on, you'll have a new panel at the side of the screen. This new panel is what I'm talking about. It's available in all your Zoom Workplace tabs. There's a little button to hide or show it. If you're on the home screen, you can hide it. So if you're on the home tab and you don't see it, it's not enabled. So to enable it, you go to your settings. There's a little settings cog at the top right of your screen. And let me bring over my settings. And I know this is a little hard to read, but it doesn't matter because it's not here. It's actually not in these settings. We have to go to the web portal. Fortunately, if you just go to the General tab at the bottom, there's a link, View More Settings, that brings you to the web portal. You might have to log in, but when you click it, it should bring you right here. But under Personal Settings, at the top, you have your AI Companion, General, Meeting, Webinar, all your settings, AI first, and the very top one is AI Companion panel in Zoom Workplace. By the way, while you're here, I suggest scrolling down and looking through the rest of your AI Companion settings just to see what's available. But when I got here, I wasn't able to enable it because it was by default locked by admin. So I had to go to my admin settings, or some of you might need to ask your admins to go to their admin settings. And that, if you scroll down under admin, account management, account settings, it brings you to a similar menu where we have general, meeting, everything else. And of course, AI Companion is first. And there's this just one switch, which I think kind of globally turns off everything if you just kind of want to turn off all the AI Companion stuff. But to get to the setting for this panel, you have to click again, Manage All Settings. And then we get something similar to what we were seeing on the user side, the very top thing. And there we go. This is where I enabled it. The AI Companion panel in Zoom Workplace. That brought the panel up. And again, while you're here, I suggest kind of going through and seeing everything else. There's a few things in particular. Where was it? Oh, yes, at the data sources for AI Companion, web content, enable that. That allows your AI Companion to search the web and really answer your questions. So what is AI Companion? Now that we have it enabled, it's this panel here, and you can actually pop it out and make it full screen, which is what I've been doing because I'm having some deep conversations with this. And it is what you're probably guessing by now. It's one of those AI natural language things that you talk to as if it's a real person. I'm using it the same way I use ChatGPT. Give me a list of 10 ideas of this, give me 10 puns for that, give me an outline for my next article, help me with this project. It's that imaginary person, magical AI thing that we're all so excited about. And it may be a little hard to see, it's small text, but it has some conversation starters similar to other chat models you may have worked with. This one says, brainstorm ideas for a team bonding activity. Write a short message to share gratitude. You get the idea. But what makes this different is it's tied into Zoom Workplace. So it's very aware of what tab you have open in Zoom Workplace and what you're working with, and it has access to your meeting summaries, what you're doing in chat. So you could see this one, again, it's a little small to read. What meetings do I have today? Okay, so now you're getting it. It's not just another one of these connected to the web, answer my questions, help me generate 10 ideas thing. This is really tied to Zoom Workplace. I'll be talking more about it. The purpose of this was just to help you get it open and started, but please let me know what you think about it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.